Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to convert an MKV file into MP4 using HandBrake. It's a quick fix if your video won't play properly on your device, and yeah, it's actually easier than most people think. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Then click Open Source and select the MKV file you want to convert. Once you pick your file, HandBrake will load it automatically. You'll see the video preview appear along with all the settings on the side. Now check the format setting. Make sure it's set to MP4. This is what actually converts your MKV file into a more widely supported format. Next, go to the presets panel on the right. If you're not sure what to choose, just pick Fast 1080p or Very Fast 1080p. It works well for most videos. Now go to the Video tab. Make sure the encoder is set to H.264. It gives you a clean MP4 file that plays basically everywhere. If your MKV file has audio, just head over to the Audio tab and make sure it's set to AAC. That's usually the safest default option. Finally, choose where you want to save the file. Click Browse, pick a folder, then hit Start Encode to begin converting your MKV into MP4. And that's it, you've successfully converted MKV to MP4 using HandBrake. You know, once you do it a couple times, it becomes second nature pretty fast. Nature.